You know, in the last video, we put our blocks in. Everything was really nice. But what we got to do, we got these new shocks. The old ones come off. They got a 14mm nut here at the top, 17 at the bottom. But we just got to spin them off. And our new shocks came with this bushing that goes right in there. And it came with a couple of Torch off-road stickers we got to stick on. And some cable ties to zip up our boots. All right, y'all saw JP struggle with that shock on the other side. I just went and got the Torch, for Torch off-road shock install, because we're gonna heat that top nut up and get this sucker off. Alrighty guys, man, we told you at the beginning of this video how easy it was to put these rear shocks under your truck. It's super easy. It's super easy. The only recommendation that we would make is be sure 2 or 3 days ahead of time, spray these top nuts up here with some penetrating oil. It'll save your life. You know, you won't have to bring out the Torch like we did for the Torch off-road shock replacement. But you know, Torch has been around since the turn of the century. This stuff, they install super easy. We're going to take it out. We're going to test it out and see how they work. But it gave us 2 more inches of travel at least, so we know we're not going to be binding up this truck. But you know what? I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Drop us a like. Leave us a comment. Until next time, we're out.